Meaning of fake.
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 Fake. Fake refers to something that is not genuine or authentic, and instead, is a reproduction or imitation that is intended to deceive people into thinking it is real. This can apply to a wide variety of things, including products, documents, news stories, and even people themselves. The result of something being fake is that it lacks the trustworthiness or legitimacy that would be associated with the real thing, and can cause confusion, harm, or disappointment to those who are relying on its authenticity.